Car paint is one of the most important factors affecting production costs in the automotive industry. Because every micron of paint adds to the cost, das-Nano helps reduce safety margins while maintaining consistent quality. We have developed a groundbreaking measurement system to avoid the high costs associated with time-consuming and destructive testing. Fast measurements of every layer thickness at once allow inline testing of every trim part. Fully automated measurements provide real-time data for data-driven decisions to readjust the painting process continuously. With a resolution of 1 micron per layer, the das-Nano sensor can accurately inspect plastic, metallic, and composite substrates. With experience in production worldwide since 2020, only our terahertz technology can achieve such accuracy in contactless multi-layer measurements. Robot-assisted positioning enables the system to adapt to changing models quickly. Fluctuations in component position are balanced out. This makes the system ready for inline production conditions. Through constant auto-referencing, film build can be accurately and continuously controlled, while reducing the number of defective parts. This helps you to achieve substantial cost savings in paint, energy, and production costs, while improving your environmental sustainability. Stop using destructive testing and talk to our experts.